For many of us, our kitchens wouldn't be the same without a microwave. The appliance has become ubiquitous over the past few decades, thanks to its versatility, perfect for everything from ready meals to leftovers to popcorn. Yet despite all the tasks it can perform, there are still some things you should never put in there, as they could burn, melt, or even explode. Boiled egg. Leftover potatoes. Tomato sauce. Aluminium foil. Raw pepper. Plastic containers. Whole grapes. Metal bow and utensils. Frozen meat. Paper bags and cardboards. And nothing inside.